June 9th is probably a date that sticks out in many of your minds as it's a sad day in Black Hills weather history. 42 years ago to this day, June 9th, 1972, we had a devastating flood that has shaped Rapid City in its aftermath. 238 people did lose their lives in this flash flood, 15+ inches of rainfall as the storm system stalled out over the Black Hills. Some places in the eastern hills picking up over 15 inches of rainfall. And if it wasn't for the heroic efforts of the National Guard, the police department, and the Rapid City Fire Department, I'm sure many civilians as well, we would have a higher number. A look back at the aftermath, some of this video shot the day after, just absolutely remarkable images in the aftermath of this flood. Absolute devastation, and it has since shaped our city, and we could thank a lot of the parks and trails and everything as a result of this flood. But once again, a very sad day, and we look back and remember the 238 people that did lose their lives on this day.